funny, you came into Charlotte and you were sweating.
Now I got a winter coat on.
You tell everybody up in Canada, boy, that North Carolina weather is weird. You come into Charlotte sweating, and now a couple of days later, you're cold.
Well, when I got here, it was like plus 25 for us.
Mm-hmm.
That's almost summer weather
It is.
for us. So you were talking about the Alux last night. They're Mayan. They live in the jungle and they help lost people. Yeah.
So we don't have any Lux cryptids in North Carolina?
No. But you got Pukwudgies here. You got Wani, the Cherokee Little People here. You have gnomes.
I'm starting to get fascinated with the Pukwudgies. It's interesting. Well, the land of little people, where would the orangutan fall?
That depends on what he is.
A little person that mentioned.
Little person of the forest? Well, either he's a very small orangutan or he's a hairy little person.
Yeah.
Well, they did just find that new species of orangutan there. And they're small. So he could be an orang pendek. But then again, orang pendek could be something else. If he's a hairy little person, he's not like the other hairy little people. Like the Ibu Gogo. All those hairy little people like that are a menace. There's ones in Mexico that invade farms, steal chickens, small dogs, cats, house pets, and they eat them. Chickens.
Dang.
And then there's the, the devil monkeys and the apple snitches.
So we got apple snitches in North Carolina.
You might. I remember their feet are different. They have the extended toe.
Mm-hmm.
Good reflexes again.
I've never slipped and fell on my ass one time.
Now the Seneca Indians paint the apple snitches on their shield and they look like chimps. And the lady I spoke to that had an encounter with one said they looked like chimps.
Okay.
So they could be an indigenous chimp. I mean, the Seneca Indians talk about them and they were here before the white settlers came, right?
Mm-hmm.
So they could be an indigenous chimp. People call them mini squatches.
So what would Pennsylvania have that North Carolina don't have? Anything, or they pretty much got the same things?
Well, they definitely got Pukwudgies. They got the apple snitches. They got a lot of gnomes.
Mm-hmm.
And they might have goblins.
Mm-hmm.
Like they look like golem. Skinny, lanky things.
Yeah. Well, I've seen that type. I've seen the type that look like goblins. That's probably one of the most creepiest things I've actually seen out in the woods.
And you have pictures of a Pukwudgie. And then you got the picture of the Cherokee little person.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I kind of call that the goblins.
Yeah, goblins are different. They're skinny, lanky things. And depend on their mood. You never know what a goblin is going to do. And they come in different colors for camouflage reasons. Green, red, white, brown. Some talk, some don't. Or they choose not to talk. I mean, this is slippery. What's that? Well, yeah, by the time I get these back home, they're not going to think that they're new no more. They ain't going to check them.
Are you warm?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Next time we come out, though, I'll change from my run shoes, put my boots on.
Oh, this is nice right here.
This is like jungle here.
Yeah, it is, ain't it?
Cambodia, Vietnam.
The rainforest.
Today it is.
I think technically they call a lot of these mountains.
Is that laurels too? What is this?
That's more of the mountain laurel. Rhododendron. I think that's actually rhododendron. You find that along the creeks, along the banks. That's always green. Well, it's amazing you're in the winter now, and look at all the green you got here along the street. Look at how that just lines up right over, and you couldn't see nothing in that.
Yeah, when I was coming in on the plane, I looked out the window and everything was green. Because back home everything was black and white. So you only had that one snowfall?
That's all we had. We had one weekend that was looking like it, but it didn't transpire.
That was a lot of snow for you guys, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
look at that there.
Some of it's sawed up, some of it's broken down. See how thick the river is along the creek?
I see.
But you can still travel through there still. Once you get in there, you can travel around it.
Yeah, some of this moss is the brightest green I've ever seen.
I know, ain't it? Look at them rocks. Pretty sweet. This is like something standing up there. You sneaky son.
I think I got a purple squatch in there too.
yeah, exactly. That's what brushed by my trail cam. Is that bear hair or mountain lion? Everybody's like, no, that's squatch.
That's a purple squatch.
Oh, that's Barney.
Did you hear that?
Don't you hear it?
Thump, thump.
Thump, thump.
Yeah, the cam might have picked it up.
Oh, I always try to pay attention to those thump thumps.